Usumbut mensedang ba kejela ba Prestone Tinsong Hadien baula pli ya kata masa mau benar ne ke Monolith Festival ha mau plang ha po khasi heritage ka ba halau kentang ula penpau ya ke jingmen ban yu i ya ke jingla jong ka KHDC ban pelong ya ke ne kata masa ula ong ba kam de ke kam jong ke sarkar jela ban Ïanujor ya ke Hornbill Festival bat ke ne ke Monolith Festival namar ka don ke jingye pair la ka de hakiriti to store ka culture bat kiwe la tu ba ya ke ne kata masa la pen hi da ke KHDC na dong shidong kan ba ka sarkar pat ka syirap na Hadien bat ula penpau ya ke jingmen ban yu i ba kane kata masa kala long ke babiang bat kmilenti ba hakisnem banwan kin sala ban le khamha shu ha ka de sngi pli ya ke Monolith Festival ha ka sngi palai la don bun jingshat pan jingruai na latin rai bat ki wei pat ki program ha ka ne ke jing pli ya kata masa mau benar la don lang UCEM ke KHDC uba penyai singsim usimbut CEM uba PNCM usang knor ke KHDC uba lam prang bla bat kiwe ki bala sha khot ngapha
Kanang tulog.
Lullabies going lay your song going into the eye and make it fun.
Bagi kerpat ru yang ke KHDC Siau bahaban pelong yang ke festival Monolith nem Ndai ban put batang sis nem ru Nama kiba pun ba kiba kwa ban yoi Baru ban tip ya ke jinglong ke jingman Jong mangi hang yang megala kiripa Ikwa banda kho dak ikot isla Bat ikwa aru ban penginuksa Siaga purthei jong karin dia barok away Dengan kwa asyuk ban murtin Naskaw tenat sibune Nakaliang jongi ke sorkar Ni ay ke jingkit bok kituyang Batru na congratulate Ya kani ke jinga organize Nakaliang jong ka KHDC barok away Ay bakali ka festival ka bangi pelong uniusnem arajar atusau kan long sisa ka bajok batru kaban penmentoy ya ka pateng jongi nakasnem syakasnem
spoken in the inaugural function, where we would like from the government side to make sure that the District Council organizes this festival on a regular basis, annually basis. Maybe we can replicate the same way like done by the Nagaland government. We have seen it at Hornbill. So we would like to replicate that, and I'm very sure this. Here, I think we have more potentiality than Hornbill and all. So we would like to have the shared responsibility between the KHDC and also with the state government.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.